Hello everyone, welcome to SolidWorks Easy. In today's video we'll learn about the sketch toolbar and how you can create sketches. So sketches are basically 2D representations of cross-sections that you can use to create different features, or you could use them to create different cuts in your part. The sketch palette or the sketch toolbar is located just beside the features toolbar. And you can enter the sketch mode by pressing the sketch button and then selecting any plane or surface on you want to create the sketch on. So I'm going to choose the right plane. Now you have multiple options here to create different sketches on 2D cross sections for your part. Let's look at them one by one. The first one is the sketch line option. You can create a line by different ways. The first one is that you can create a line by 2 points. So by clicking on the screen and then dragging your cursor along, clicking on the second point, you can create a line. With the line you get multiple options. Like you get options to define it as a construction line, so it doesn't count as a cross section in the sketch, but it is used for different other features like defining an axis. Or you can define an infinite length for the line. Other options are that you can control the parameters of the line. For example, you could change the length of the line, or you could change the angle of the line. Additional parameters include the position of the x-coordinate of the line or the start of the line, or the y-coordinate of the line at the beginning or the start of the line, and the x and y coordinates of the end of the line, and delta x and delta y. There are also options to create center lines, and midpoint lines. To make a midpoint line, you click on the midpoint and then the line is extended on both sides of that point. The other options remain similar, like you can define them as construction lines, or you can create an infinite length for references. In the next video, we'll see how you can use the other aspects of the sketch toolbar. Thank you so much.